Alright, this might be actually one of the smartest MagSafe wallet I've ever tested in my life. This is the ESR Geo magnetic wallet stand, and it's not just a wallet, it actually has Find My built-in like an AirTag, which is kinda crazy. I've been using it daily with my iPhone Air, so I will guys show you how it performs in real life, not just the technical specs or details. So without any further ado, let's go. So let's start with the design and the first impressions. First thing, the design. This thing actually looks premium. Clean, minimal, not bulky at all. It holds up to 5 cards, which is already more than most MagSafe wallets. You've got a proper card slot setup, even a clear ID window, and this finger loop on the back. And I'm not gonna lie, I thought the loop was gimmicky, but when you actually use it, especially one-handed, it makes a big difference. Much more secure grip. And now let's talk about something super important, the magnet strength. Because I've tested a lot of MagSafe stuff and some of them are honestly weak. This one is strong. ESR claims around 3200 gram magnetic strength, which is over 4 times stronger than Apple's wallet. And in real life stays on in your pocket, no slipping in the car, even with movement it holds properly. On the iPhone Air it's perfect obviously. So yeah, magnet strength, no complaints at all. And now let's speak about the Find My feature. And this is where it gets interesting. This wallet has full Apple Find My built-in, and this is honestly the main reason to buy it. So basically, you can track it live, play a sound, get left behind notification, exactly like an AirTag. And I actually tested this, left in a car on purpose, and yeah, got the notification instantly. That's actually game changer, especially if you're someone who forgets stuff, travels, or you just want a peace of mind. And now let's talk about the stand, because actually this is really useful. It's not one of those cheap filmy ones. You get adjustable angle from 15 to 170 degrees. Works portrait and landscape mode as well. Feels solid, doesn't collapse at all. And I use this a lot while watching YouTube example or FaceTiming with my mother, even just on the desk while working. Honestly, this alone already makes it worth it. And now the real talk, how is it daily? After using it properly, let's see the pros. It's super convenient. You get a wallet, a stand and a tracker in one. The magnets are super strong, no bulk in pocket, and the Find My is a huge plus. And the cons, which is 1.5. So the half is, it's not as slim as some competitors' slim profile, but if you think it's accept 5 cards, that's normal. And one con, which is not really con, but if you're not using Apple Find My, you will not get the fully potential from this product. And quickly mention the charging and the battery. Guys, it can be fully charged around 1.5 hours and the battery holds like 6 months. So basically you will forget about the charging. So yeah guys, after using it for a while now, I have my honest opinion about this product. This is honestly one of the most complete MagSafe wallets I've used in my life. It's not just a wallet. It's actually your wallet, your stand and your tracker, all in one. If you are guys already using a MagSafe accessories, this will be absolutely a really smart upgrade. I absolutely recommended this product guys for every iPhone user, even on Android users as well, but as I mentioned, you can't use the Find My, but this product it's just wow. And thank you ESR for sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. It's very usable product, it's very nice design, it's very I can't find any negatives, so ESR, you made it. Thank you guys for watching. It was Akos from iTechFlow. It was a MagSafe wallet with tracker, with stand, with everything from ESR, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good day, have a good week, have a good month, stay safe. Chat you later. Peace.